Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. It's Sweethearts Day, so hopefully all of you guys are enjoying some time, with your loved ones or, family or friends, what have you. Hey, I wanted to come on here. I've embraced a new income stream. I am all about entrepreneurship. I've embraced a new income stream and really excited to share this with you. And this is really in the area of a unique online clothing boutique, and just wanted to give you a glimpse of what I spotted and what caught my eye. And I said, you know what? I'm going to embrace this thing. This looks really, really fun. And I wanted to just kind of move over here and show you on the screen why I got excited about these products and said, hey, this is something that A, I could do, B, I could wear, all of the above. So anyway, let me introduce you right here. Here is just one of the samples of their products. It's a t-shirt here, with jeans, faith over fear, and just loved the message that was stemming here. And obviously it's very easy to promote. In this post right here, you can see that they've got the hashtags. Obviously, you can include those in your YouTube videos. So that's kind of a little hint right there. If you guys are promoting this, you add those tags to your videos, and away you go. Let me pan through. Here's another one here, Mom Life. Okay, and you guys can actually customize these. You can't customize the wording, but you can do what's called BYOT. They have a BYOT program, which is Build Your Own T-shirt program. And so you could, let's say you wanted this in green or you wanted this in blue instead of the gray, you can make the requests. And what I love about these products is the pricing is really reasonable on these items. Here's one here where, she's actually, one of our models is actually wearing this. This mom runs on Caffeine, Target, and Amazon Prime. So just some really cute, fun stuff. And now I wanted to move over to actually my back office, guys, and show you what you get when you actually become a consultant. And obviously I'll be here to be your guide and a sense of support for you. So I wanted to pop in here and just give you a glimpse of what you have. As you can see, I've got 7 visitors today. I actually enrolled in this on the 12th. So this month I've got 4 signups. I've got 2 signups today. So right now you're just looking at the morning time. And obviously I'll do another video at the end of the day so that you guys can see what progress has happened. But you have a complete back office here. You have a dashboard. Your account, your organization, so you can go into here, you can see your people and your genealogy. This is your website, and this is something that you create when you're setting up the account. Here they cover the compensation. This is a really handsome compensation. They have different levels. You level from bronze, silver, platinum, gold, that type of thing, or gold, I should say, comes before platinum, and then diamond. So you rank according to your sales, and it's very quick to move up in this opportunity. You right here, you set up your wallet. You're paid via PayPal. So what you would do is you would set up your back office, and it has an option where you can include your PayPal link, and then it allows you to add it. And then, of course, that is how the company pays you. They pay you weekly from your sales, obviously. And in the terms and conditions, when you're actually registering as a consultant, in the terms and conditions, it actually breaks down what your compensation plans are at the different ranks. So just wanted to, cover that for you guys, and, just really excited to be part of this. This is easy to promote. The products really sell themselves, and essentially, I encourage you to take advantage. You have until midnight tonight to actually register as a consultant for free. And then we have support groups here that we can add you to, tools that you can use for your marketing. And this is about it in a nutshell. So I want to welcome you guys to J. Elizabeth Boutique. So make it a great afternoon. Take care. Oh, I'll have the details of being part of this, added to the video. Anyway, take care.